Hi everybody, I wanted to show you my favorite new shower head. So this is the 12-inch and it comes with this. You just easily install it to your hardware that you already have in your shower. And it also comes with this, lots of different settings, and I'm going to show you how it looks when it's on. So look at that. Okay, and you can also adjust this. And how cool is this? So when you're cleaning, you can use this to clean everything, rinse all the soap down. So one last super cool feature with this, if you just want to have this on, or if you just want to have this on, you can adjust it up there. And of course, I will show you. Ooh. So as you can see, I'm just moving this, and then this turns off, and then this just sprays, and you just want to have this. There you go, and it's even more powerful.